How to migrate Pi coins to mainnet. First of all, let's navigate and open the Pi network app on your device and make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you are in, check if you have completed the KYC verification. Tap on the three lines at the top left side and from this menu, open the MAINNET option. Next, tap on MAINNET checklist to open it. Here, you need to check if your Pi wallet is attached and whether KYC verification is completed or not. To approve it, tap on Submit your KYC application and it will redirect you to the Pi browser app. A notification may appear on the screen where you can see, "Thanks for your interest in Pi KYC verification, but slots are not available at this time. Stay tuned and you will receive a notification as soon as one becomes available." But keep in mind that you must complete at least 30 mining sessions before you can apply for KYC verification. So complete the 30 sessions to finish verification and then you will be able to migrate Pi coins to the mainnet. And that's it. This is how you can migrate Pi coins to the mainnet. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.